Clubuinoduino version 2. So a little advice: when you define something in Eagle, you don't actually have to mirror the bottom layer when you print your circuit board. And if you do, you can't put the chip on the top. You have to undersling it on the bottom with all of your other traces. However, catching this, and that could be what was wrong with Clubuinoduino version 1, I did undersling the Atmel chip and moved everything up to the top. I'll put a nice sticker here, I think. We've got our voltage and power supply here. This is our FTDI bus, I guess you would call it here. We've got 5 volts in ground, 2 rails right here. This is, I haven't labeled these yet, but apparently this is digital pins 2 through 7, and there is 8 through 13, and these are the analog pins 0 through 5. And we are currently running the Hello World program Blink, programmed from the Raspberry Pi Lilliputian supercomputer. And yeah, so it's working. Reset switch works. The power LED draws its power straight from the through this resistor from the battery. So it doesn't flash when you hit the reset button. But the reset button is important if you're going to program through the FTDI. And there's our breakout board wired up. I did use pin headers instead of the nice Arduino stackable headers. Future versions should use those probably. I made myself some little jumpers by, well, you can't really see it. I put a pin header pin on one side and cut up an old short block header for the other side, so they'll work great for jumping from pin to breadboard. And it's time to do some programming and see what else we can get this bad boy to do. Maybe it's time for stickers and labels.